Welcome back. My name is still Yemi. This is The Right Property, where I bring you information before deals. Today, it's all about inspection. I know money is scarce out there, okay? So, some of you out there, you're thinking, I've seen the house, I've walked through the house, everything looks good. Why do I need to pay someone 500 to 700 to come and do the same thing? Check this out. Inspection checks your foundation, your roofing, your electricals, your plumbing, and your HVAC. That's your heating and your cooling system. They check all these things. Okay? They can tell you how long you have before you start looking to change stuff after you move in. Usually, when you move into a house, you want to enjoy the house for a period of 3 to 5 years before you start changing things. So, inspection, as in the rate of return on inspection, is very, very high. If you invest $500, you could save yourself $50,000 along the way. And there's some risk to you skipping inspection. I'll give you situations where you can skip inspection, okay? But there's some risk to skipping it. Let me give you the risk first. The banks may actually walk if you can't get an insurance company to cover you. And some of the things that make insurance not cover you, your electricals. There's some outdated electrical out there that can burn your house down. Insurance will not touch you. Okay? Things like that, pre-existing conditions, insurance will not touch you. In fact, if appraiser goes in there to appraise your house, if an appraiser goes in there to appraise your house, they may just tell the bank, don't do it. There's some areas, some houses that banks will not insure. And that means no mortgage. What's the point of winning the bidding war and then you end up losing the bank? You don't want to lose the bank. You don't want to lose your lender. So you want to do your inspection. The reason I'm actually running this video today is because I was approached recently to go after a property. It's not listed, it's off the market. So this is an unsolicited offer that we're going to be giving them. But that offer cannot include an inspection. So you want to win a bidding war, you have this kind of off-market offer, we can't put inspection. But I know for a fact that inspection is necessary, except you're in this kind of situation, you've seen the property, you love it, and you're just ready to deal with whatever comes. But there's a big risk to skipping inspection. Of course, I'm going to tell my client all about not skipping inspection, and I'm also going to let him know putting inspection in an off-market offer like this is not going to win the heart of the, seller. So if you're following this channel, these are the kind of things I put out there. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you have any comment about situations where people skip inspection, put your comment down there. And if you want to share the video, go ahead and share the video, because on this channel, all I want to do is see you at the top.